Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Veed AI. Veed AI is an AI-powered video editing platform that offers various features to simplify the video editing process. It uses AI to automate tasks such as transcription, captioning, and editing, making it easier for users to create professional-looking videos without extensive manual effort. To start, go to veed.io in your web browser. One fantastic feature is its free starting point. However, when you download and export your video, there are some noteworthy changes. Veed.io works seamlessly across all devices: Android, MacBook, tablet, you name it, even though I am currently on a Windows OS. So don't let that hold you back. Now let us dive into pricing to uncover the details of the free trial, its benefits, and the paid subscriptions. Click on pricing. Regarding pricing, the free plan doesn't require any payment. It offers essential editing with a watermark, 30 minutes of subtitles per month, and a 1 GB upload limit. That is quite a deal. Though the watermark may be a consideration, the free trial is sufficient if you are not too particular. Moving up, the basic plan removes the watermark, provides 720p quality, 20 minutes of subtitles, and allows exporting videos up to 25 minutes, a solid choice for many. However, the Pro plan at $24 per user annually, or $288 billed annually, offers stock audio and video, and AI-powered editing, making it the top recommendation. Let us return to the landing page and simply click on Start for Free. You will be directed to the editing platform without needing to log in initially. The login and subscription steps come later. From here, we will start by uploading the file we want to work with. Click on Upload Files and choose the file that you want to add. Using a sample file from the internet, let us dive into video as your editing platform. This timeline is where your magic happens. You can adjust your view by zooming out, ensuring you have the perfect time frame. On the left, you will find various tools. The search bar helps you find subtitles, clean audio, magic cuts, and more. Settings allow customization, like resizing for social media, crucial for platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Plus, you can tweak background colors and even translate voices. Video's media capabilities are impressive. Like Canva, you can upload files, record or use text-to-speech. BrandKit and design tools are available for upgraded subscribers. Soon you will even be able to request files from others, akin to Drop. While stock videos are enticing, they are currently only accessible with a subscription. But don't worry, there are plenty of free presets available. Just type the topic about which you want a video and you will get to see free videos in results. Once added to your timeline, be cautious with overlapping videos. It can get messy. You can easily customize it with animations and transitions. Select the length as you want. After that, choose animation from your left. And don't forget the music. Simply add it from the media options. Play different music from stock to see which one matches your video. You can also trim the music if needed. You can also upload your own files, use text-to-speech, or even record a voiceover in real time. Subtitles and text are crucial for engagement. Though there is a limit for free users, it is still a valuable feature. Lastly, let's add some text to our video. Simply select the text tool and type your message. You can also change font style and number if needed. Once you're done, reposition this text on your screen. Make sure your video looks creative. Preview it and make changes if needed. Moving on to elements, you've got emojis, stickers, sound waves, and you name it. It is all about personalizing your creation. Now on to recording, real-time magic. Whether it is camera, audio, screen, or a mix, just pick your preference and dive in. Filters and effects add that extra flair. Check out the VHS effect, it is a personal favorite. Once you are satisfied, hit done. Now it is time to log in. Remember to remove the watermark, you will need to upgrade your plan. Click on Export Video, and you will be prompted to sign up with video before downloading your masterpiece. And there you have it. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.